Welcome to my first ever video. I really suck at intros, so I won't make this long. Basically, the premise, just playing Cuisine Royale, which I suck at, so enjoy. Okay, all I know is that I'm gonna stop talking. Oh, they're coming. Oh no! Hold on. I'm just chasing them. Okay. That one hurt. 4 minutes in. Okay. Look at my kill rating. The reason it's so high, that's not from me. That's not from me. Okay? Well, good thing I didn't leave. And I got slippers. Woo! I'm a bouncing bunny. Somebody is shooting, having a good time. I too like to have a good time. Yeah, okay, like, if I'm playing in all seriousness and I'm not just running around like a dip, I, for the most part, can make it into like the top 10, but that's because I don't see anyone. Like, I'm hiding from them. But my method right now is literally just to run into whoever I could find and see if I somehow get better at this game. So far, no luck. Oh shoot. I don't know if I want him to know I'm here. Oh, he knows I'm here. If you have a friend who aims pretty bad, I'm that friend. No, actually I'm worse than that friend. That friend doesn't even compare to how awful I am. Let's see here. You see that? You see how I... And that's all I have is bolt action weapons. Where'd she go though? I need slippers. Feeling quite confident about that. Play again. Should we try a duo? Do you think we should get like a random duo? Bad idea. Gib strength. Watch, somebody's in that watchtower. Yeah, oh. Okay. Cool. Now, let's attempt this ladder yet again. Here I go. Guys, I got my first kill. How did that happen? There's a dude. You know what? I don't like that. How am I? Is that a Christmas tree? Oh my god. Okay, so that was wasting my time, but it's fine. God, I'm gonna hate looking back at that. No, I couldn't use beast mode. I'm mad. Okay, but we got 2 kills. See that? Kill rating went up. All the damage I took, the other ones. I'm going up in the world. Apparently. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching my first video. I hope to do more. Make sure you like or dislike this video, however you feel, and subscribe if you want to. I'd love to make more videos. This is just for fun, and thank you.